Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I have another share of a swap that I have going out, and this is the Easter envelope flip, and I have made it. It's very, very full, as usual. I overdo things. That is it. It's on a large binder ring, and I kind of made it, it's kind of like a little mini album. So I made this little dangle here using a piece of Christmas garland that I have, and then I made my little Easter egg eraser charms and added those onto the two sides. I had to use the larger ring so that it would flow freely, and so this one just hangs down, and I actually really like that. Then I made a little tassel and added that here. And all of these things she can take off and use for other things. That was my thinking, is it's kind of like a flow. Like the flow journals and the flow books where you take the pieces out and you use it in your own items. So here is a little piece of hydrangea, and I've just put that on there, and that could be added as well. Here is a banner embellishment. I went ahead and added the eyelet to it, and I think that that'll be really fun, and it won't hurt that there's an eyelet in it if you use it in a project. This die cut was from the die cut swap last year at Easter time in Swapper's Corner, and it just was, I thought it was perfect in here, so I used them in here. I hope that's okay. Here's our first envelope, and it is a little bit smaller, but I wanted to use the 6x6 papers that I had, because that's what I was using. So then I added, this is one of the new, it's an antique postcard digital from my my Easter digital kit that just went into my Etsy shop at Dearjuliejulie. And so we have the cute little bunny, and I used the fingernail polish glitter to glitter the flowers, added the little chick and the eggs here, and then you open, or you turn it over, and I've used this little bunny and the flower as the closure, and then this opens like this, and I've gifted her eyelets and some of the erasers. So she's got a bunch of eyelets in there and some of the erasers, and then this just closes underneath. Sure it does. Okay, you pop them up, push them down. There you go. Then I added this little piece of lace. I thought it kind of looked like an egg. This also was from one of the die cut swaps, or from Happy Mail, that I had in my stash, and it matched. So I was like, well, I'm going to use it in there. Here's our next envelope. Again, it's one of the cards from the bunnies, or the kids Bunnies and Chicks collection in my Etsy shop, and you turn it over, it's held closed by this egg, and in here is an egg paper clip, a little bunny sticker, and this bunny paper clip as well. So those are in this envelope. So I hope she likes handmade embellishments, because I filled this with handmade embellishments. Okay, so this was, I actually don't know what it was from, but it was a tag, and it was really cool, so I just put it in here. It also matched and looked really cool. Here's a tag that I made, and you'll see that all of these have eyelets. We have the little frolicking Easter bunny, and on this side we have one of the flat paper clips that I made from the Easter collection. I printed the postcards wallet size, and so they came out ticket size. And there's also a heart here. Actually, there's a couple of hearts that she'll be able to use in something. We have the cute little chicks, and then the little flower here. So here is a paper clip with the Easter egg ribbon, and you just can undo this binder clip and take all of these items off. I had it in here, and I just really like it better hanging. It flows freely, and it's really cool. So here's another one of the hydrangea flowers, and another one of the pieces of lace. And we have our next envelope, and inside this one, again, it opens like this. I've used eyelets on it. And here we have a flat paper clip with an egg charm using one of the little images from the kit. A postcard flat paper clip, and then some of the images just cut out from the kits. So there we go, and then we have to put these in here in such a way that they actually fit. So we'll start with the cards, get them in there. Then this one. This was so much fun. So I made my envelopes using my envelope punch board, and then I decorated them and made embellishments as well. So you may have seen some of the decorating in my embellishment video, including possibly even the envelopes. So this also was a die cut that came from my Swap and Stop Swapper's Corner last year, and I did the embellishment swap, and I got 12 of these. So again, it's perfect. It matches in here, and it's an extra item. Okay, so all these die cuts that I've added that I didn't make, they're extra, and yeah, so I think they'll be fun. So here's a tag I made using the new tag punch that I got at Hobby Lobby, and one of the images this is from the Kids, Bunnies, and Chicks collection. I have a little wood egg in there. Here, this image is from the Kids, Bunnies, and Chicks collection, and it has 8 postcards in it. And this one also is in the Kids, Bunny, and Kids, Bunny, and Chicks collection. So you get 4 vertical, 4 horizontal, and 4 backs of the postcards. So I made a couple of ATCs. So here's one, here's the other one, and then a couple of tags. And then here's another one of the die cuts that I was gifted, and it just matched perfectly. So I was like, I'm putting that in there because it matches. Look, it matches the flowers that I used all throughout this project. I'm really trying to use the items in my stash. I have so much stuff, especially all the little gifts. I could never use them all in my personal stuff, so I'm passing it on. So here's a little paper clip, and I've added one of the little Easter egg charms that I made with the pearl pin, and there are tutorials for that here on my channel under paper clips. And then here's another one of the tags, and this is also in the Kids, Bunnies, and Chicks. You can see the little kids are in their little chicken suits, and they've broken the chicken out. I did decorate the backs of my tags as well. So there's like an Easter basket on this one. There's a couple of chicks on that one. Here's another hydrangea flower. Here is our last envelope, and it has the chicks playing music. And so then we've got a couple of little chicks and some eggs down here. Again, I've glittered and you turn it over, and this one is held closed by a flower, and we have the flower and the frolicking bunny, and this one has a variety of items in it as well. So this one has a tag using one of the kids' bunnies and chicks, and a couple more of those die cuts for her to use. Okay, and then let's see. We'll put these guys in there, and this tag has to go in this way for it to fit, and then we'll close it. And let's see, so next we have, whoop, got things moving around over here, another hydrangea, and we have another one of the egg die cuts. So very, very cute. I'm excited to have been able to use so many different items. It's pretty chunky here, but rather than sending a bag along, I went ahead and put everything in this little flip. So we're gonna go ahead. We got this peep word here. I'm gonna go ahead and add it right in here. Peep. Okay. There we go. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. And don't forget to subscribe. Which one was your favorite? This time, I really liked the whole thing. I'm really glad to see being able to use all this. Have you checked out the digital images, the Easter digital images? So here's them a little bit bigger for my next project. And anyway, I hope you have a great day. Thank you for being here. Bye-bye.